Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about uh, all the signs, maybe a one-liner or something about the energy. We will check the current energy of the one-liner and the signs. First we will start. It will be a general reading, so if it resonates you, then it's fine. If it doesn't, do check your charts. As we know, Mercury is in the direct position, and the combustion of Jupiter also ended, and gradually it is going away from Sun, so it is changing its position. So we can accept that there will be a fast movement where you will feel that things are moving where it was stuck earlier. Oh, got a flipper. So yes, the first card that flipped out, it's Three of Cups. So it's about joy, communication, that is the energy. Because we all know, due to certain positions of the planets and the combustion, what happened was like whatever we planned, or whatever the business or the projects or the job, if anybody is giving the job interview or looking for a job change, any kind of career change, or any contractual thing, though all those were stuck, and now you will see that it is moving slowly but steadily. As 12 months Jupiter, or you will get the support of Jupiter. So what I feel is that with this too, as I said, it's a general reading. So with this too, this is a balancing energy. So you are earlier, what it used to happen is something you are trying to achieve but you are not able to achieve. Things move very slow, or you will feel a stagnant kind of energy. Now slowly you are juggling, you are started to juggle on your work and your personal well-being, your health, those who are working on the health. Bottom of the deck is the Sun card. It's a new opportunity for almost every signs. It's a very positive move that we can see. What's the energy? What's the guided message? And Queen of Pentacles. So earlier we got this at the beginning of the reading. That's a general reading. As I said, I'm repeating it because if it doesn't resonate you or your situation, do check your birth chart, because there is no major problem for few months as such. Everything will be in your favor. If somebody is struggling financially, so you are holding the ground, whatever your clarity or the position you are in, you are trying to improve a lot. So opportunity you will be getting to improve your financial condition, to improve your job uh, with a new opportunity, I mean to say. The position where you are struggling for promotion or the increment, there is a chances that will improve. Let's see something about relationship, because Venus will retrograde, and Venus is not in a favorable place for few signs as of now. So you got the Temperance and the Seven of Wands. So Seven of Wands and Temperance, you are grounding yourself and you are observing. What I feel from here is you are in a place where you know what to do. So Temperance is giving you peace and harmony. You can see the image. I will take this closer. So most of the things that I found is somebody, if you need to work on your mind. Those who are in a critical situation, you can see this is the card Six of Swords, that is help. The divine intervention will be there, and divine energy will help you out or give you certain scenarios or situations, or make new connection where you can be out from the critical or the problematic situations you are in. So this is help arriving. So there will be a divine intervention, because once you are stuck, see, so those who are in a financial crisis, trying very hard since months that something needs to crack, or a contract that you want to get. For those who are into marketing, wanted to achieve their goals and their targets, but somehow it is like so, but not able to get it completely. So you will be getting some divine intervention, and that will improve your situation definitely. Today is 27th, so what I expect is from today till 2nd of June, you will see a slow progress. After 2nd of June, situations will be much more favorable to you. It's a lot of flippers over here. Its cards are flipping out. I check once again. Okay. There will be a new connection. Those who are seeking for love, relationship, or marriage, you will be getting a new connection, but that is after 2nd of June. That is what I feel strongly. And or somebody you are talking to in few months or years may turn out to be they might give you some a marriage proposal or propose to you for a committed relationship. So some of you, their money, for few signs, their money is stuck. Especially for, I want to talk about Sagittarius. Those who are belongs to Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. So there it is like two-way. So you can see this. These are the coins, the pentacles. So you need to give, and you will be getting it. You're giving your amount, you are clearing of your dues, and you are getting the money as well. So that is the energy. This is for Sagittarius. This is also for Aries, This is especially, I'm talking about fire signs. You got this special cards. And for Scorpios, all the Scorpios are going through a big, huge transformations. All eyes are into Scorpios. You have a personal transformation, you have emotional, physical, mental. In your profession, there are transformations. Some Scorpios might start new business, some are into new courses and studies. It's a huge, long lasting transformation that is going on. Let's go with Earth sign. Okay, there is a judgment card for Earth sign. Why this judgment card is coming for Earth sign? Let me check. Is supposed to happen or not happen? Why are you giving that judgment card? Is it their self energy or not? Oh, what is happening with your Earth sign? You are giving me a struggling through any relationship issues or what? These are the cards. See, there is a judgment card, there is a fool card, and two of cups. You're doubting yourself for any kind of relationship. It's all about self-doubt. You will be getting the justice, of course, new connection, or the old past connection might somebody from your past may connect with you. That is the vibes and the energy that I'm getting. You are manifesting something which is on hold as of now, and you are leaving it to kind of, let's see what happens. You got the clarity, you know what to do, but still you are getting a confusion whether I'm doing I have decided that whether this is it correct or not. I am into a new relationship. Am I doing a right thing? Please listen to your intuitions, Earth sign. Sign. Earth sign, listen to your intuitions, please. Please remove all your self-doubts. Do not doubt yourself. The more you doubt, the more confusion you will be getting in, and you will not be able to decide what is going on, and you cannot look beyond your current situation. So you need to be doubt free. Okay, so let's check about the air sign. What is it for air sign? 27 to 2nd of June. So you have a buffet. You see that you have lots and lots of options. You need to choose. You have enough time to choose. No rush, no hurry. You are at peace. You have your clarity. Beautiful. 9 of Pentacles. So you will get multiple options. You need to choose from that options. That is what a sign is. No matter what you choose, that will give you a good result. So don't worry about it. Air sign, it's a time for celebration. So what I see here is, so you will have that options. You need to choose from 3 to 4 options maybe that you have. No matter what you choose, you'll get the success. Good. Okay, so did I miss any signs? I don't think so. Okay, for water, I told about Scorpio and Sagittarius. So let's check about the water sign. So for the water sign, what is it? What is the energy for the water? Oh, I got a flip again. 3 of Pentacles. Water sign. So water signs are struggling with inflow of finances. Due to the inflow of finances, you are so stressed out that you are missing the opportunities that you are getting. If something is happening very joyful or positive, you are not able to focus on that. That is what I am getting. This is the energy. As I said, things will improve slowly and gradually in this week, 27 to 2nd of June. Then it will be on your favor, so don't you worry about it. Water signs, relax. Earth sign, no self-doubting, please. Fire sign, it's a give and take energy. If you start giving, you will be getting more. And air sign, your energies and your readings are beautiful. No matter what you do, what path you choose, whatever decision you take, it will be good to go. And you will get success in that. Okay? Take care. Bye bye.